Yo, welcome to my new video. So in this video I will show you how you can get more threads, followers for free. So yeah, I've got this threads plus plus. As you can see, it has a different icon and it's the model version of the threads app, and right now I will open it to show you how the mod works. So what is the difference between the threads plus plus and the threads apps? It is that button, as you can see right here, at 1,000 followers. So if I click it, I will get 1,000 followers for my account, and it's that easy. And this mod, the threads plus plus, is working for Android and iOS devices. I have an iPhone right here, but if you have an Android device, then don't worry, this mod will be also working for you. So maybe I will show you how this works. So let's add 1,000 followers, and I've got 1,000 followers more, and I can keep clicking to get more and more followers. So yeah, how to get this mod? So this mod is by app4u.top, as you can see right there. And if you want to get it, you need to go to your browser, go to this site, app4u.top, and find here the thread plus plus. Threads plus plus. Mod APK enabled at 1,000 followers button. So if it's signed, click on here and click the start injection button. It will start the downloading process for your device, but I don't need to download it as I have it right here. So if you have any troubles with downloading, you can check the how to download video tutorial, which is right here. And yeah, it's really that easy. So let's add more followers for the thread app, and as you can see, it is just working great. Okay, so I think that will be all for this video. If you have any troubles, please leave a comment below and ask me for help if you have any troubles. If you have any others questions, also please leave a comment. If this method is working for you, also please leave a comment below. So please leave a like if you like this video, if it was helpful for you. And that will be all for this video, so thanks for watching. You can also subscribe to my channel, and bye.